Hey everyone, welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or as we like to call it, AI. You've probably heard about AI taking over the world, but today we're getting up close and personal with how AI actually learns. Yep, it's all about machine learning, and trust me, it's cooler than it sounds. So grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's unravel the mystery together. The basics of machine learning. Dive into the world of machine learning with me, and let's unravel this mystery together. It's like being a detective. Except instead of solving crimes, we're teaching computers to make sense of the world. At its core, machine learning is about recognizing patterns. Think of it as teaching your computer to distinguish between cats and dogs by showing it thousands of pictures. Each photo helps the computer learn a little more about what distinguishes Fluffy from Fido. It's not memorizing, it's learning by finding patterns in the data you feed it. Imagine having a conversation with your computer where you show it pictures and say, "This, my digital friend, is a cat." Over time, after seeing enough furry faces, your computer starts to get the hang of it. But it's not just about cats and dogs. This technology stretches to recognizing faces in a crowd, understanding spoken language, and even driving cars. It's all about data. Feeding the algorithm a diet rich in information so it can learn, grow, and make informed decisions. But how does an algorithm, essentially a complex recipe of instructions, get to the point where it can understand and predict? It starts simple, learning from clear, direct examples. But then it moves on to more complex judgments. The algorithm is like a chef experimenting with recipes, tweaking ingredients, or in this case data, based on the taste test results. Through a process called training, the algorithm's guesses become more educated, its predictions more accurate, and its understanding deeper. This training isn't a one-off lesson. It's more like a continuous course of education where the algorithm gets homework, new data, and learns from each assignment. With every piece of data processed, it adjusts its parameters slightly, improving and evolving. This capacity to learn from and adapt to new information without being explicitly programmed to do so is what makes machine learning both powerful and promising. From spam filters in your email to recommending what series to binge watch next, machine learning algorithms improve and personalize your digital experience. How machine learning works. Let's peel back the layers of machine learning to see how it ticks. It all starts with data. And not just any data, but heaps of it. This data could range from images and videos to numbers and text. It's the raw material from which our AI chefs cook up their predictions. This step is crucial because, in machine learning, more data equals more knowledge. It's like compiling the world's most comprehensive cookbook. The more recipes you have, the better your cooking gets. The heart of the operation is the algorithm, a set of rules or instructions that tells the computer what to do with the data. These algorithms are like cooking techniques, each suited to preparing different types of dishes, or, in our case, solving different types of problems. From simple linear regression, suitable for trends and predictions, to complex neural networks, mimicking the human brain to process images and sounds. The algorithm is chosen based on the task at hand. Next comes the exciting part, training the model. This is where the algorithm gets to work, sifting through data, making predictions, and learning from its successes and mistakes. It's akin to a chef tasting and adjusting a dish until it's just right. This iterative process involves feeding the algorithm a steady stream of data, allowing it to refine its understanding and improve its accuracy over time. The goal? For the algorithm to learn the underlying patterns and rules that govern the data it's working with. That's exactly how AI learns. Trial, error, and a bit of virtual elbow grease. That's how your Netflix recommendations get so spot on. Magic, right? Once trained, these models are ready to face the world, applying what they've learned to make predictions on new unseen data. Whether it's identifying objects in photos, translating languages in real time, or predicting consumer behavior, the applications are endless. This ability to learn from data and apply that knowledge to make decisions is what makes machine learning a revolutionary force across industries. Real-world applications. Machine learning isn't just theory, it's reshaping reality across the globe. In healthcare, it's analyzing patient data to predict diseases before symptoms appear, revolutionizing early diagnosis and treatment. It's like having a super smart doctor who can spot health issues from miles away. Then, in finance, machine learning algorithms pore over market data to predict stock movements, helping investors make smarter decisions. It's like a financial guru who can see into the future, armed with charts and graphs instead of a crystal ball. Ever wondered how your social media feeds always seem to know what you're interested in? That's machine learning at work, tailoring content to fit your tastes. It learns from your likes, shares, and the time you spend on different posts to curate a feed so engaging it's hard to put down. And in the world of e-commerce, machine learning helps recommend products you're more likely to buy, based on your browsing and purchase history. It's like having a personal shopper who knows you better than you know yourself, always finding you the perfect item. In the realm of customer service, chatbots powered by machine learning are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. These bots can understand and respond to queries in real time, providing personalized assistance 24/7. It's like having a helpful assistant ready to solve your problems at any hour. Meanwhile, in the automotive industry, machine learning is the driving force behind autonomous vehicles. These smart cars analyze data from sensors and cameras to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions, all without a human at the wheel. Beyond practical applications, machine learning is also unlocking new frontiers in creativity and entertainment. AI algorithms are composing music, generating artwork, and even writing stories, pushing the boundaries of what machines can create. It's like discovering a new species of artist, one that learns from styles and trends to create something entirely new. This fusion of technology and creativity opens up unprecedented avenues for artistic expression and innovation. The challenges and future of machine learning. As we marvel at machine learning's capabilities, it's important to address the challenges that come with it. Privacy is a major concern. As algorithms become more ingrained in our lives, ensuring the security and confidentiality of our data is paramount. It's like walking a tightrope between benefiting from personalized experiences and protecting our digital selves from prying eyes. Moreover, the ethical implications of AI decision-making are a labyrinth of moral dilemmas. Ensuring AI's judgments are fair and unbiased is critical, especially when these systems influence everything from job hiring to loan approvals. Another challenge is the fear of automation replacing human jobs. As AI becomes capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, finding a balance between technological advancement and workforce impact is essential. It's about complementing human skills, not replacing them, and preparing society for a future where AI and humans work side by side. Additionally, the issue of AI transparency and explainability looms large. Understanding how AI makes its decisions is crucial for trust and accountability, especially in critical applications like healthcare and criminal justice. Looking ahead, the potential of machine learning to positively transform our world is immense. From combating climate change by analyzing environmental data to revolutionizing healthcare with personalized treatments, the horizon is wide and promising. Imagine smart cities where everything from traffic to energy use is optimized for efficiency and sustainability. Or breakthroughs in language translation that tear down communication barriers, bringing people closer together. The future of machine learning is not just about smarter technology. It's about how we harness this technology to build a better, more inclusive world. We've journeyed through the intricacies of machine learning, from its foundational concepts to its real-world impact and the challenges that lie ahead. This exploration reveals not only the transformative power of AI, but also the responsibility we share in shaping its evolution. As we stand at the crossroads of this technological revolution, our collective curiosity, creativity, and ethical consideration will guide the future of machine learning. Together, let's embrace the possibilities, navigate the challenges, and contribute to a future where technology and humanity thrive in harmony. Stay curious, keep exploring, and let's shape the future of technology together.